Against a backdrop of unparalleled natural beauty, a luxury car stands as a symbol of opulence and innovation. The narrator proclaims, 2025 luxury car, a new era of elegance. Today, we will delve into the future of driving. The scene whispers promises of elegance, innovation, and a glimpse into tomorrow's automotive excellence. The car's interior whispers of opulence and innovation, a sanctuary of refined luxury and cutting-edge tech. The narrator declares, the interior exudes a luxurious and futuristic environment. The screen displays refined luxury and cutting-edge tech. The car's dashboard is a symphony of digital controls and cutting-edge tech features, illustrating innovation at your fingertips. Augmented reality displays and autonomous driving technology herald a new era of seamless connectivity and control. The narrator reveals the car's advanced technology and seamless connectivity, promising a driving experience that is both intuitive and revolutionary. A sleek car glides along a scenic road, embodying power and control. The narrator states, the car boasts a powerful engine, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and intelligent torque distribution, delivering an unparalleled driving experience. On-screen text proclaims, unmatched driving experience. Bathed in sunlight, the car exudes sleekness and power, perfectly poised against a breathtaking backdrop. The screen whispers, the perfect balance of sophistication and power. The narrator concludes, in summary, this car offers unparalleled sophistication blended seamlessly with raw power. The narrator affirms, a true testament to automotive excellence.